Family is a social institution, the cornerstone of society's foundation. The family is one of the most fundamental social institutions, serving as the primary unit of society. In a sociological context, the family is studied as a complex web of relationships and roles that play a vital role in shaping individuals' lives and contributing to the functioning and stability of society. This video delves into the sociological significance of the family as a social institution, exploring its members, importance in society, roles, structure, impact on society, and essential functions that make it the cornerstone of human communities. Understanding family as a social institution. Definition. In sociology, the family is defined as a group of individuals who are related by blood, marriage, or adoption and who live together and share responsibilities for the well-being of the members. The family consists of various members, such as parents, children, siblings, and extended family members, each playing unique roles within the family unit. Importance of family in society. Primary socialization. The family serves as the first and most influential agent of socialization, shaping an individual's values, beliefs, and behaviors from early childhood. Emotional support. Families provide emotional support, love, and care, nurturing individuals' emotional well-being and fostering a sense of belonging. Continuity. Families ensure the continuity of society by passing down cultural traditions, knowledge, and values from one generation to another. Role of family in society. Socialization. The family socializes children, teaching them language, cultural norms, and societal values, preparing them for their roles as productive members of society. Reproduction. The family institution facilitates the process of reproduction, ensuring the continuation of the human population. Economic functions. Families may fulfill economic roles, such as providing financial support, distributing resources, and participating in household labor. Structure of family. Nuclear family. The nuclear family consists of parents and their children living together as a cohesive unit. Extended family. Extended families include multiple generations or relatives living together or in close proximity, sharing responsibilities and resources. Single-parent family. Single-parent families consist of one parent raising the children, typically due to divorce, separation, or the death of a spouse. Impact of family on society. Social cohesion. Strong family bonds contribute to social cohesion, promoting trust and cooperation within communities. Socialization and values. The family's socialization process instills cultural values, norms, and ethics that shape individuals' behavior in broader society. Functions of family in society. Reproduction and child rearing. The family provides an environment for raising and nurturing children, preparing them for their future roles. Emotional support. Families offer emotional support and care, enhancing individuals' well-being and resilience. Social control. Families serve as agents of social control, guiding and disciplining children's behavior and reinforcing societal norms. In conclusion, the family is a vital social institution with significant implications for individuals and society. In a sociological context, understanding the role, importance, structure, and functions of the family provides valuable insights into the dynamics of human interactions and socialization. Sociologists play a crucial role in studying families, analyzing their impact on individuals and society, and identifying factors that influence family dynamics and structures. By recognizing the sociological significance of the family, we can work towards promoting family well-being, strengthening family bonds, and creating supportive environments that nurture individuals' growth and development. Families are not static entities. They evolve and adapt to changing societal norms and values. Recognizing and supporting the diverse forms of families is essential for fostering inclusive, resilient, and harmonious societies. The family's enduring role as a social institution emphasizes its centrality in shaping human lives and preserving the fabric of society. Family